Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll first make sure your Apple Watch and paired iPhone run compatible software and have Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and AirDrop enabled. Once that's done, unlock your watch and open the Contacts app to your own contact card. You do this because Namedrop uses proximity and secure channels. Starting at your card tells the watch what data you intend to share. With both devices awake and screens on, bring the other person's device close so the system can detect a name drop opportunity. With devices close, watch for the name drop animation or prompt that confirms a secure exchange. This takes a second. Tap the prompt on your Apple Watch to pick exactly what to share, for example, phone number, email, or a specific contact field, because you might not want to share everything. You can also edit or add fields before sending, so make sure the visible info is correct. Once you confirm, the watch transfers only the selected fields to the other device. After you confirm, check the recipient's device to verify the contact arrived and was saved correctly. This closes the loop so you both know the transfer worked. If nothing appears, first toggle AirDrop and Bluetooth, then retry Namedrop while keeping screens on and close together. If problems persist, restart both devices and ensure no focus mode is blocking connections. Remember, proximity, unlocked screens, and current software are the most common causes when Namedrop doesn't work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.